Today I'm going to try hard bead wax for the first time. I really wanted to give this a try. It comes with wooden sticks and these are the hard wax beads. Let me show you a close-up of my hair growth. First I'm going to try it on my arm, making sure there's no moisture left. The hard bead wax melts beautifully and it's so satisfying to watch. Now this is my first attempt. My sister applied a very thin layer, which was our mistake. It didn't come off easily. It still managed to remove even the tiniest hair. So my sister applied it again on the same spot. One thing I noticed is that it doesn't hurt when you reapply it in the same area. That's a big plus. The second attempt also failed. It definitely takes practice. Then on the third try, she applied the right amount of layering and it finally worked. It did the job really well. No strips needed, no mess. Overall, I like it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.